TeachAnOldDogNewTricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Hollowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create estimates. Now imagine for a moment you're in a business, and in this example, this is Tony's Ice Cream, and we sell ice cream. So let's say someone calls us and they want an estimate or they want a pricing on some ice cream. Well, in a sales organization or any business for that matter, you can create an estimate. So I'm going to come right over here and click on estimates. Now what I want you to observe is that this estimate looks very much like an invoice, very much like a sales receipt. So you're starting to see some trends here developing. Once you sort of figure out one little part or one little aspect of QuickBooks, you're going to see that there's so many things that are similar, you can sort of work your way through it. But in this particular case, we're going to type in a new company. I'm going to call it Hillary's Ice Cream Shop. So bear with me while I just do a little typing here. Oop. Ironically, even though I'm in the computer business, I'm not a great typist. So again, I'm going to hit the tab key. This is a new customer or new person that we're entering into QuickBooks. So as I hit the tab key to move to the next field, it's going to ask me if I want to add them. And again, I always use the quick add. That's just the way I do things. Next, I want you to observe that we have templates. We can customize templates. I'm not going to get into that here, like I didn't get into it in the sales receipt or the invoices. But all these things can be customized. I'm going to hit the tab key to get away from it. I'm going to have the date, today's date. Here's Hillary's Ice Cream. Oop, it went to estimate number. I'm just going to leave it at 1. And here, I'm just going to type in an address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it 123 Hope Ave. And I'm going to call it Boston. Ma 02256. Okay, I'm going to hit the tab key. The item. Let's say Hillary wants an estimate on vanilla ice cream. I'm going to start just typing vanilla and you'll see it propagate or populates automatically. So once I see vanilla, I can go down using my either mouse or I can use the up and down arrow keys. Let's say she wants half gallons. I'm going to hit enter to enter that in. I'm going to hit the tab key and it filled in creamy awesome vanilla. So next I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in quantity. And I'm going to type in, let's say she wants to buy 112 half gallons of creamy awesome vanilla. Well, it's going to calculate out the price, $3.99, and the actual amount, $446.88. I'm going to hit the tab key again. And over here in the markup, I'll come back and do another tutorial on this. We can create a markup. So let's say for whatever reason, maybe she's a new customer or a high volume customer and we want to give her a discount or increase the price. We can set up different price levels in QuickBooks so that we can adjust our estimates or our cost or our prices based on the kind of client. I'm not going to go here right now. I'll come back to this in another tutorial, but that's it. Really, that's all we've got to do. We've created an estimate. Now, the beauty of estimates is that you can turn an estimate, once it's created, right into an invoice. So I'm going to show you that in my next tutorial. But at this point, I'm just going to come down and click on Save and Close. Now again, because this is a new customer and I've added some new information here, what you're going to see, it's asking me again, do I want to keep all this information so the next time I come in and use her name in here as a customer, it's going to retain it, and I'm going to say yes. So that's it. That's my first estimate. We can send it out to them either by email, mail, however you see fit. But now we've created an estimate, much like the sales receipts and the invoices. This is very easy to start working with once you get into it. You just got to get in and start using QuickBooks. And every day, every time you use something new, you learn a little bit more and you realize how much everything's the same. My name is Tony Hollowitz and I want to thank you for being here. Have a great day.